ZJS Series Dewatering Screen. Product advantage. 1. The unique exciter design of the dewatering screen makes the dewatering screen run more stably and reliably. 2. The vibration motor of the dried tailings discharge screen is electrically operated. Dried tailings discharge screen is easy to replace, and the slow vibration can ensure that the material is dewatered more cleanly. 3. The sand and gravel dewatering screen uses high-strength bolts, high wear-resistant screen plates, and rubber springs at the bottom. The screen plates are fixed with high density, and the service life of the sand and gravel dewatering screen is longer. Product introduction. The dewatering screen plays a vital role in the mining crushing industry. Whether it is the water-washed sand treatment of the sand and gravel plant, the coal slime recycling of the coal preparation plant, or the dry discharge of tailings in the ore preparation plant, the sand and gravel dewatering screen can easily cope with it and achieve efficient dewatering, desludging, and demudding. In addition, the sand and gravel dewatering screen is also widely used in many industries such as power, sugar making, chemical industry, and construction, providing precise dry and wet classification, dewatering, demudding, and desliming services for various medium and fine particle materials. Product features. 1. Iron or concentrate dewatering screen can be customized according to the specific needs of the users. The side panels of the machine body have reinforcement plates, the bottom is equipped with brackets and horizontal bars, and the discharge port is supported by triangular steel plates to ensure that the equipment is more solid and durable. 2. The dried tailings discharge screen adopts the riveting and welding combination of steel components to form a high-strength, stress-free, light and durable frame body with compact structure, high rigidity and strength of each part. 3. The sand and gravel dewatering screen adopts a unique exciter to make the running track more stable and reliable, and the installation and commissioning are convenient and fast, which greatly saves the user's time and energy. 4. Regarding the modular design of the screen surface structure and type model of iron or concentrate dewatering screen, the modular design of the screen surface structure makes the replacement of the screen more convenient and quick, greatly improving the use efficiency of the equipment. 5. The iron or concentrate dewatering screen has a relatively small volume, but a large processing capacity per unit area, which is convenient for system process layout. 6. Iron or concentrate dewatering screen consumes relatively less energy during operation, and has a high dewatering rate, ensuring the best dewatering effect of the materials.
Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.